Did you know that Michael Jackson patented the stage shoes that let him lean 45 degrees in his Smooth Criminal video? A 7-year-old boy named Steven Olson got a patent on a method of swinging on a swing just to learn about the patent process. In 2014, Elon Musk opened the entire Tesla EV patent portfolio, saying all our patents belong to you. Abraham Lincoln is America's only patent-holding president, number 6469, which is a gadget to lift boats over sandbars. You could buy a real Santa Claus detecting stocking, patented in 1996, which would light up when St. Nick actually arrives at your house. Alexander Graham Bell beat rival Elisha Gray to the telephone patent by just filing a few hours earlier. Mary Anderson invented windshield wipers in 1903, but automakers laughed and her patent expired unloved. Oh. Thomas Edison racked up an astounding 1,093 US patents, roughly one every 11 days of his adult life. Japan's Shunpei Yamazaki tops everyone with over 12,500 US patents, making Edison look like a total underachiever. Before rewriting physics, Albert Einstein worked as a Swiss patent clerk reviewing other people's ideas. Hollywood icon Hedy Lamarr patented World War II frequency hopping tech, which was the grandmother of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The Slinky toy was invented when an engineer accidentally dropped a spring and watched it walk. He patented it in 1947. Polaroid crushed Kodak in a patent lawsuit, a $909 million judgment for infringing an instant camera patent. Kodak quit the market. Apple's 2012 verdict against Samsung topped $1 billion, the main battle in the smartphone patent wars. BlackBerry had to pay $612 million to a tiny patent-holding company just to keep its email servers alive. A record $2.5 billion judgment against Gilead vanished when it was overturned 2 years later on appeal. The U.S. Patent Office burned down in 1836, wiping out almost 10,000 patents and their hand-built models. Pre-fire patents have no numbers, and historians call them X-patents. Until 1880, inventors had to file a tiny working model of their invention along with their patent applications. If you try to patent perpetual motion technology today, patent examiners can still demand a working prototype. So far, none have been delivered. The longest U.S. patent runs 3,333 pages. The shortest one is just half a page. Both are equally valid. A 1977 patent teaches the classic comb-over technique as a method of concealing partial baldness. The Beerbrella mini umbrella clips onto your can so the sun never warms your beverage. Someone patented exercising cats by having them chase a laser pointer. So obvious, yet somehow patented. An 1882 alarm clock literally slaps your face to wake you up. In 1982, a lockable anti-eating face mask was patented for dieting. Totally creepy and dark. A 2004 design proposed pierced nose eyeglasses held in place by nose studs. Patented in 1986, the greenhouse helmet lets you walk around with plants for producing personal oxygen. Mary Dixon Keyes was the first American woman to get a patent in 1809 on straw hat weaving. Benjamin Franklin refused patents. He believed that ideas should flow freely and benefit everyone. Kevlar, which is 5 times stronger than steel, was patented by chemist Stephanie Kodak in 1966. Sir Alexander Fleming never patented penicillin, speeding its global rollout and saving millions. Jonas Salk shrugged off patenting the polio vaccine, saying, "Could you patent the sun?" Tim Berners-Lee invented and then gave away the internet's core protocols. No patent, just global connectivity. Patent models that were once required with patent applications had to fit in a tiny 12-inch square cube. Imagine something like a steam engine shrunk down to tiny, cute, precious size. In 1882, a cork tile swimsuit promised built-in flotation. The product did float, but sails kind of sank. The Olympic rings and the word Olympic are so protected that even small local events that are called Olympic still get cease and desist letters. Trademarks need to fight going generic. For example, Xerox tells customers to please photocopy things and not Xerox them. Aspirin and escalator were once trademarks, but their popularity made them generic terms and they became unprotectable. The red triangle of Bass Ale was UK trademark number 1, filed January 1st, 1876. Rivals Marvel and DC jointly own a trademark on the term superhero. Taylor Swift trademarked This Sick Beat to combat bootleg merch sales. Paris Hilton owns a That's Hot trademark and has sued over greeting card punchlines. Even the Play-Doh smell is a registered trademark. Vanilla Cherry Musk with a dash of nostalgia. NBC's 3-note chime was America's first sound trademark in 1950. MGM trademarked the lion's roar from its classic movie intros. The original 1928 Steamboat Willie version of Mickey Mouse became public domain in 2024. But be careful with newer version of Mickey Mouse because Disney may bitch slap you. YouTube's content idea once flagged 10 hours straight of static noise in a video as allegedly being copyrighted audio. The Betamax Supreme Court case saved VCRs, saying that recording at home was fair use. Napster's 2001 shutdown sparked the digital music wars and paved the way for Spotify. Chinese applicants filed 1.6 million patents in 2022, nearly half the world total. In the S&P 500, 90% of the value sits in intangible assets like patents, trademarks, and copyrights, not within factory walls or warehouses. In 2012, 1 in 6 active patents covered smartphone tech. The Netherlands abolished patents from 1869 to 1912. Copying was legal for over 42 years. Switzerland had no patent law until 1888. Swiss watchmakers thrived on reverse engineering. As an example, Voice.com sold for $30 million, showing that domain names are modern IP gold. Edison patented a talking doll, but kids found its voice to be nightmare fuel, and it totally failed. The Wright brothers sued nearly every early aviation company until World War II forced a patent pool that allowed other people to use their technology. The term patent troll was coined at Intel, likening non-practicing entities to bridge trolls. Mickey Mouse helped to change the law to extend the term of U.S. copyrights twice. A lawsuit over a monkey taking a selfie established that animals cannot own copyrights. Owens Corning owns the trademark on pink insulation. Tiffany Blue is Pantone Color 1837 and is trademarked for exclusive use on their jewelry boxes. NASA owns patents too, such as the chemistry behind aerogel, also known as frozen smoke. After the 1836 fire that destroyed the patent office and all the patents in it, they didn't know what to do, so they just restarted all patent numbers over at one. Lego's snap-fit brick design was patented in 1958, and this is still the same design that's used today. Velcro was inspired by burrs from plants, and the iconic hook and loop tape was patented in 1955. Barcodes, which were patented in 1952, are scanned over 6 billion times a day. QR codes were patented in 1994, but later made royalty-free so they could spread fast. Bubble wrap originally began as a 3D wallpaper, but when this company failed, they repurposed it into a packing material. The first 3D printer, called stereolithography, dates back to 1984. The inventor of the Super Soaker was a NASA engineer who had over 100 patents. A patent for a full-body sauna suit claims weight loss and fire protection benefits. Someone patented a dog-shaped blower that blows air out the tail to dry your pets. A kimchi refrigerator patent claims that special light waves improve flavor. A 2012 patent covers human-powered bat wings. Ingredient lists aren't copyrightable, only the creative recipe text is. In the Barbie Girl trademark fight, a judge officially told Aqua and Mattel to chill. Candy Crush once tried to trademark the word candy, and huge backlash ensued. Even emoji artwork is copyrightable. The code points are open, but the artwork is not. A 2007 Magic 8-Ball planter lets a sprouting seed answer your yes or no questions. Anti-shark suits with big ol' spikes were patented in 1989. The Beerbrella wasn't alone in making drinking more fun. Some patents cover beer koozies that actually sing. The song Happy Birthday was copyrighted until 2016, which is why you always saw movies and restaurants having their own Happy Birthday theme songs. Some patents promise better golf swings by simply thinking positive. Let me know which crazy fact you like the best, and also if you have any additional facts that you'd like to see in future videos. Thanks for watching.